Hello traders, welcome to FX Mentor, and in this video I'm going to give you another good scalping trading method that is very useful, and I have personally tried on my live account, and this method is really amazing, and that is also following my previous video as well. Okay, so you can use this method on the 1 minute time frame, 3 minute time frames, 5 minute, 15 minute, as you can. I mean, it depends on you that how you want to use this, but overall this is very good for scalping. And before I start the strategy, so guys, if you are having the problems with your broker, then please join the Exness broker. The link is given in the description of this video, and in the last video I have also highlighted you about the withdrawal, the recent withdrawal that I have done from the Exness broker, and you need to watch my previous video for the proof. Okay, so now we are moving towards the strategy, and the strategy is very simple. The first of all, that what we will need is the moving average exponential. Please note that we are not going to use any moving average from any author. We are just simply going to use the simple moving average, and after this moving average it is written updated, right? So this is by no author, and now we are going to the settings page of this moving average. We are going to change the length to 200, and then we are coming into the style section, and into the style section we want the EMA to look into the yellow color, and then we will press OK, right? Okay, so in generally, if we talk about this strategy, then it is very clear, as you can see on the gold 3 minute chart, that we have seen throughout the day that what happens, the overall the market was above the 200 EMA, right? Okay, so it means that's a bullish trend, right? The second indicator that we will be using with this strategy is the follow line indicator, and that is by Dread Blitz, and it has 4081 favorites right now. Okay guys, the strategy is very simple and up to the date. You don't have to make any kind of changes inside the settings because it is at 21.5 or 21.1 and 5 ATR period. You don't have to change anything because I personally checked this throughout the day that this strategy is working in a very killer way. All you just need to do is this very simple thing, like 200 EMA and the candles are above it, it means that you are into the bullish trend, and then just ignore the sell signals by the follow line and follow the buy signals from the follow line. Like here we have a bomb signal in the blue color, and then let it turn into blue color, and then when the signal gets stays, then you can take your buy positions. For example, now let's talk about this signal. That sell signal appeared on the screen, but we should not be interested in taking the sell position, because if we look at here, so might be we are not able to cover our spreads as well, and then you can see again we went into the upward direction only because 200 EMA, the candles were above the 200 EMA. Let me show its further results. Let's have a look on USD CHF what happened. So when the market crosses the 200 EMA, yellow color EMA, it comes down, and you can see a very good long sell, and right now the buy is running on USD CHF, and we are not interested because already the market is below the 200 EMA. So guys, I don't know that how guys you predict the market, but overall I would be very honest with you, this is the best indicator that I have seen on the trading view. This is one of the best ones. Like for example, look at here, USD JPY, you have taken sell, you ignored the buy position, you are already into the sell, but you know that when I'm making the video, already we are into the close time. Okay guys, one thing that you keep in your mind, that whenever you see candles are crossed above the 200 EMA, it's a very clear message that the trend gets changed. Because if we talk about this trend, like here 200 EMA below, then you can see a clear downward trend was seen, and after that the trend got changed, and now you can see a very good upward message from the market movers. Okay, so similarly it was very easy to trade today on Great Britain Pound JPY 3 minute as well. You ignored the buy, you've taken the sell. So this is a very good approach. I mean, if you just follow this indicator, then no one can beat you, but all you just need is to avoid the ranging market. So what is called the ranging market? Look at this pattern. This is the ranging market. So whenever if your one trade or two trades hit the stop loss within the ranging pattern, then ignore this one. Always let the market to break the neckline. So this is the neckline. Once it breaks, then you can take your further last signal. For example, sell was running, the neckline was broken, and then you can take your sell position. So hopefully guys, you must be now known about this strategy. This strategy is very powerful and very good, so you can apply on your charts by yourself, and you must understand that how it works by making a practice on the demo account. At the end, I will again say that if you are still looking for the best broker, the link of the best broker is given in the description of this video below. So guys, please like this video, subscribe FX Mentor, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.